Hello everyone, I'm Masood Bakhtiari, a structural engineer. If you're interested in learning Revit for structural concrete building, please subscribe to my channel. Before you watch this video, please support me so that I can provide more high-quality tutorials in the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Masood from Masood Structural Studio. In this section, we want to specify the style of the plugin elements. So the first step is to make the background transparent. In the next step, we will create a new folder and rename it to them. We want to place a XAML file containing styles in the file. We add an item in the theme file. This item is the resource dictionary and rename it to main page styles. Of course, I wrote this style in a text file and put them on my Patreon channel, and you can download this file by just copying and pasting. After copying and pasting this file on the style main page, we should provide a dictionary reference in the XAML app or app.xaml. After referencing the app.xaml file, the software renders the style in the plugin. If you like this video, subscribe and like the video for more learning videos.